Hey everybody. Oh boy, what a day. Here's all my garlic thingies. I gotta haul that out to, I don't know, the pasture. I end up getting 8 pounds out of that garlic, and I have got a mess like you wouldn't believe. I mean, holy crap. You talk about a mess. I mean, just look. I mean, geez Louise. This became a sawhorse. You can tell I got... Holy mackerel, what the heck is going on? Wah! Holy shite! The chicken don't mind though. Hey, chicken don't care at all. Does she? Nope, she sure don't. But I got a hell of a mess going on. I mean, I got counters all messy. I got just shite everywhere. So I'm waiting on the batteries to... or battery for my DeWalt 20 volt drill set to charge so I can go back to chicken coop and work on that some more. Here's this little deal. I went ahead and cut this off, and this, you can tell it has a bronze bushing in it, and I can't get it out, so that's okay. But I did find these. I went to a tractor store in where my town is, and to see if they had any bushings and whatnots to see what I could do here. And they didn't have any. Well, they had some bushings, but and they'd fit this shaft, which was 3/4 inch, but it was bigger than there, and I'd have to machine that out. And I don't have a lathe. Started building one once. Maybe I'll show you here in a second. But they had these. I don't know what the heck they are, but they'll fit over the shaft, and 2 of them together is as long as that. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to cut each one in half. Just cut it in half, and then I can make this. See, if I cut it in half, I put one there, has a little piece in there, or however. I don't know yet how I'm going to quite do it. But then I can put one on the other side so that it can just pretend with me here. I'll try to use my knee a little bit. It'll set like semi that. I mean, it can end up being closer. I don't have to be that wide, I don't think. But then if I put this, let's say right there, and let's just pretend this is those over there, and these are the this is the inside piece, and because I said I cut it in 4, so I can actually probably actually cut it. Gosh, what a deal here. There we go. See, I could probably actually leave one like that, you see, and put a grease zerd in it, and then cut the other 2, shove them up again this, put a grease zerd in that, and then it should be the same length, so I should be able to use the shaft. And if I pretend here, weld this to this, that'll make this solid, and then when I can come out with it, a little something coming onto the other piece, or so that I wish I could learn how to talk. But this will make this solid, and these will be loose, and the bar will still go through the whole thing. So this per se would be solid all the way through, to do its same thing. It'll just wiggle, and mount these parts to the, I don't know what you'd call it, I guess the mounting system. So it'd be solid here, going out like this and grabbing those, and then this will be to this one, and then I allow this thing to come up and down. You see what I'm saying? And I expect the pulley will be back here, or somehow, and yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking about doing. But I don't know. At this moment, here, we'll walk down this side. At this moment, I have such a big mess to go on. And, yeah, what do I say? Yeah, look at this big old mess. I got crap all over. This was all out in that chicken coop at one point, and I moved it in here. Now I got to find another spot. But here's my lathe that I started working on. I've been working on it for years. Well, I haven't worked on it in a long time. But, here's my, per se, my headstock. I mean, it's just all out of wood right now. It's like a mini lathe. This is going to be a leg for the table. There's the table, or the slide, or whatever you want to call it. Here is This piece goes, you know, on the deal. It can come in and out, you know, slide for my tool rest. Then, you know, this goes on top of there to put my tools. And I don't know, I started making it, I don't know, several years ago. And I made a, I don't know what you want to call it, a blast furnace or a melting furnace or whatever. And I end up, you know, it ended up going crappy on me because, you know, I was just too, I didn't have a shed. I mean, this isn't that old. This isn't that old shed, that old of a shed. But, you know. Anyways, one of these days, maybe I'll get a lathe made. I don't know yet, really, but gosh, I got a big ass mess. But it should work pretty good if I ever get it cast. There's a bunch of casting stuff that I got down in here. A bunch of aluminums and different stuff to make it, but I got to do it. This thing's broke. There's a belt deal in there and a pulley on here. It's broke. It's junk. As you can tell, I haven't used anything for a long time. But anyway, here's some more garlic. This is last year's garlic. I didn't get planted. As you can tell, it's wanting to live. I'm gonna end up throwing that all away. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the place, and I don't know. We'll see how it looks after I get all done. Yeah, maybe I'll get it done today. Maybe I won't. I don't know. But just thought I'd let you see my big old mess. I mean, gosh dang. I mean, look at my refrigerator's disgustingly dirty. Everything's dirty. But anyway, I hope everybody had a good weekend. I'm gonna go to cleaning, I think. Be back after a bit if I get it done. Well, it's actually the next day. Yesterday was like 90 degrees and it was humid as heck. But I just cleaned a little bit yesterday, a little bit today. You can see the floor's a little better. I got some different crap on the bench. It's all trash. Just different things. There's all the bench. It's about all cleaned up. A little better than it was. Yep, a little better. I guess I should have come into here to started it, huh? Welcome to the Numbskull Torque Fest. Well, there you go, guys. That's all I think I'm gonna do for now. I get it messy again. Here, anyway. I mean, here's some electric fence handles I'm making. I don't know, but anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope everybody has a blessed week, and love you all, and see you on the flip side. Oh, thanks for watching, by the way, and subscribe.